So, I think I found what I was looking for. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Oba Jao, and this is Car Enthuse. So this is actually gonna be a first for a lot of things for this video. So first of all, this is my first YouTube channel ever. On top of it being my first time doing an engine and transmission swap. On top of it being the first time I ever drive a manual vehicle.
I like your style, dude.
Okay, I have drove manual a couple times, like with a couple buddies of mine, but it's always just been automatic vehicles all my life. But you're gonna come along with me for the show. So now we're gonna go ahead and shift gears into another position. But first, we gotta get that car. So I just contacted the lady and she told me to give her a little while. So while I got some time, I'm gonna give you a backstory about everything. Back in February, I actually crashed my car and totaled it out. So I had to find something real quick. Found my sedan. It was automatic. Really didn't want an automatic, but I was like, you know what? I need to get in something quick. I went ahead and grabbed the automatic. I instantly started Googling performance parts. You know, I'm just like, what do I need? Blow off valve, charge pipe, intercooler, downpipes, catback exhaust. So I'm like, yeah, I need everything. And then my 6-cylinder blew. So at that point, I said, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and LS swap the car because I don't have to deal with the price of injector. So I decided to go LS. Went to pull all the blow off valves, charge pipe, everything that I bought, started selling everything off. I ran into a complication. If I was to do LS, I couldn't move to California because of the whole emissions law. I said, you know what? I'll just revert it back to stock and just drive it stock. But then I checked on Marketplace and lo and behold, seen that some lady was selling a whole car for $1,000, manual transmission and everything. Jumped on it so damn fast. I hit her up. I woke up 10 in the morning. I'm like, are you available? Like, I need to get this car immediately. So she contacted me. She said, yes, it's available. My boyfriend's coming back home in a couple hours. Can you wait till then? So you know what? That's perfectly fine. I'll give you some time. Hopefully she wasn't lying to me and somebody else was going to get it. Mind you, when I got on Facebook Marketplace, every time I got on there, I seen people selling just the transmission. A couple screenshots to send it to my buddy so I can get a second opinion on it. I'm still intrigued, even though it looks clapped. $1,000, you really can't beat that. I was looking at this one as well. I'm like, it's on a trailer. Hopefully there's no like real engine problems or anything. But you know, N54 like this is actually its natural habitat. I seen it also had the cinnamon brown interior, and that is what I'm really intrigued about. I'm pretty sure this is cinnamon brown. If not, drop a comment below and let me know what interior this is. It comes with a welded diff, so I'm pretty sure they probably tried to drift the damn thing and then smash into a wall or something. It's just like, this is very deterring, but in the same breath, I just need the motor and the trans. So hopefully they didn't Fast and Furious the motor. We're about to go ahead and throw some clothes on, head to my buddy's house, get the trailer, and head that way. So the car does not have a working key fob. So that kind of is making me a little concerned because I can't like go in and read the code. So I don't know what essentially is going to be wrong with this transmission. You know, transmission and engine, they could have had a misfire on all cylinders and now they're just trying to get rid of it. So that's why I'm bringing my buddy with me. He's a pretty good car enthusiast, so he'll actually be able to help me and let me know if there's anything that I missed. I've been working on cars for about, I'd say 8 months, 9 months. I actually started working on cars because my water pump went out and I couldn't afford the labor costs. I literally had to do the whole job myself. It was on jack stands in the middle of November, if that tells you anything. It was absolutely terrible, let me just tell you that. But I got it done and I felt so accomplished after I got it done. And after that, I was like, I can do this. This is no problem. I'll come in here and go get these monies. Yeah, got my monies. Now we about to go see what we're dealing with here. I just really hope that this freaking car is not a bust because I've been searching for months, man. And like I said, hopefully this is exactly what I need for real, man. I'm not trying to run into no hiccups, no transmission issues, no motor issues. I'm not trying to deal with that. Like, because my thing is I can wait. Please don't do it like this, Lord. Lord, please don't do it like this. You know, I'm still kind of young and dumb. I got another BMW. This one's the X3 SUV. I really love it though. You know, really low maintenance. I'm actually going to just keep it pretty much stock for the most part. I'm not about to put no performance anything on this car. There's no lights on the dash other than my windshield wiper fluid, because I had to swap it. I had to use all of the defroster fluid instead of the all-weather fluid. So I've been running that out of my car, and then once that gets all out of my car, I'm gonna go ahead and swap over to all season. But other than that, this car has been treating me very, very well. I bought it at 113,000 miles. It is currently at 125, and I mean, like I said, running strong. Oil changes every 5,000. You gotta do your preventative maintenance, guys. We finally made it to Andrew's house, and here's my 07 335i. Now, back in June, I got into a slight front-end accident and damaged the headlight and bumper, but I found a cheap M-Sport bumper on Facebook, so that was a win. But overall, for a 6-year-old car, this thing still looks beautiful. Now, aesthetically, I need to add more, but that'll come down the road. And here's Andrew's garage, where most of the magic will be happening. Here's my buddy Andrew in his natural habitat. He's been working on cars for a while, so I usually trust his judgment. So after Andrew pieced his shifter back together, we hopped in the truck and took a ride out to the country to grab his friend's trailer. I've always loved the hustle and bustle of the city, so I don't know if country living could be my cup of tea. So we just got here, we're about to pick up the trailer, and then we're gonna make our way back to the city to pick up the car.
Oh God, y'all, we are kind of in the fucking, unfortunately, I'm hoping for the best in this situation here, but we'll see.
It's not exactly what I wanted, but we just need the guts of the thing, so go ahead and throw this thing on there. It kind of threw us off because it says 330 on the back. Car secured, locked in, everything is on the car. Well, not on the car, in the car. So essentially, when we first got the car, we seen that there was no exhaust, seen no downpipe, no coolant reservoir, a whole mess of stuff. And you know, you start to get worried when you run into stuff like that. You're like, how much did they strip off of this car? But the things that they stripped, they threw in the trunk. So I got downpipes, I got dual cone intakes, I got the exhaust, so I'm good to go. All right, y'all, it is off and we're gonna be digging into it. So when I tell you, man, I just keep wasting my money. But you enjoy the things that you get. All right, so the lady that I bought it from said that the key fob's battery was dead. So currently we got it on the charger. But let's actually plug this in and see if this thing is working or not. That was like a dead battery to me. If there's another piece of advice I can give you all, is to get Pro Tools. Man, when I tell you, this thing has saved my life on so many occasions. Being on the fly, being able to code my car if I get a misfire, or even going back to coding my injectors. It just saved me so much time because I didn't have to take it to anywhere. I could do it just from the privacy of my own home. So if you're gonna be an N54 life, Pro Tools is key. And remember, guys, if you're running codes, plug it in, press the start button, and just let it go to the on position. And go ahead and plug the Katy can in if you didn't already. And go ahead and plug it into your tablet. Now with mine, it's on auto connect. So all I have to do is hit OK, and it should be able to find my car with auto detect. With the interface clicked on Katy can, chassis auto detect. Let's go ahead and connect to get. All right, we got a connection here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into the ECU. Just read any errors and see what we got. This is gonna be a scary part. Okay, I figured there'd have been something, if anything. So we got central locking relay, unlocking and locking. We got a code for that. That's probably why I can't unlock the car doors with the fob. Wastegate activation 30CF. That's a new one. I know she said that they were working on the turbos before she got rid of the car, so I'm hoping that has something to do with that. Combustion, misfire cylinder, that's what we were looking for. Misfire cylinder 6, 4, and 3. All right, so now that we kind of know what we're looking at and kind of know what we need to do, it's time for a lunch break. All right, so first day, we found out that there was a bunch of codes pulled. I figured that there's gonna be a bunch of codes pulled. Just because the car was $1,000, there's no way to beat that. But hey, it's $1,000 for a manual swap. You can't beat that either. So check us out on the next episode. Like and subscribe so you can get some more content, because we're gonna bring it.